So I have a baby shower coming up, and it doesn't necessarily have a theme, but I do plan on having tons of like traditional baby items like blocks and teddy bears, pacifiers, rattles, that type of thing as incorporated into the decor. And so I have these baby blocks that I got from Hobby Lobby, and basically it has the letters all around it, and I'm going to be using these on the tables as centerpieces. I have 6 tables, so I'm doing 3 different centerpieces. 2 of the tables are going to have the same thing, and then to hold up my balloon structure, I have these wooden sticks that I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. Size was actually $1.19, and I got 8 of them. I'm going to use 4 in the corners, 1 in each corner of my boxes. These are the boxes after a coat of spray paint. I'm gonna do a few at a time. And this is the paint that I'm using. It is the Rust-Oleum High Gloss Ultra Cover. I got it from Walmart, $3 and change. And I am now spraying my wooden dowels down. I'm using the Rust-Oleum Gold to do that. This is one of my favorite golds. And these are my boxes after drying overnight. I had 2 cans and I managed to spray all 6 boxes. These 2 need a second coat because I ran out of paint. And then this is what it looks like with 2 coats over here on this side. And then over here is just 1 coat. You can still kind of see the wood through. So I do have to go to Walmart to pick up a 3rd can to get that complete. And I'm gonna start painting in just a second. These are the 2 colors. I'm trying to paint the letters on the boxes, silver and gold. These is the brand I got out of Hobby Lobby. And this is what they should look like once I start painting. We'll see. That's the gold, and then that's the silver. Hey guys, welcome back. I am starting on my centerpieces because my event is this weekend, and starting with my large boxes first. The first thing I'm going to need to do is actually take the A's off. And so I have this mini screwdriver that came in my toolkit that I'm actually using to accomplish that. And the next thing I'm about to do is take my gold rods that I have spray painted, and I'm going to put them in the corners of each. I'm going to put them in each corner, and that's what's going to support my balloon structure. And I'm going to be putting them in the corner by just placing a bit of hot glue along the end, and I'm just going to press it into the corners firmly. Hey guys, so welcome back. So what I'm about to do is get started with adding the flowers to the inside of my centerpiece here. And for my filler, I always love to use hydrangea. And I will link these in the description box for you guys below as well. So I set my foam inside, and then I'm just gonna go in individually. Per usual, Dakota is in the background, making a noise. I'm just gonna go around here until I get this all filled in. And this is what it looks like all finished, guys. I lost count, so I don't know how many I used, so maybe when I'm cleaning up, I'll be able to tell you guys exactly how many use when I'm taking them out. So that's all done. And this is what those two look like. I have the balls already on top, ready for the balloons to go on. Up next, guys, is the second style of centerpiece that I'm going to be doing for 2 of the tables. There's 6 total. This is going to be on 2 of the tables. For this centerpiece, I actually have this pretty blue hydrangea that I purchased from Walmart. I think these were like $3 each. Yeah, exactly $3 each. I'm going to incorporate these in with some of the white ones, since the only thing that's here is these boxes. I won't need as many of the white ones. And then for the inside of this one, I'm going to be using some foam. So for this centerpiece, I'm actually going to use my pool noodle and cut this to fit inside of the square and just slide like 2 of them in there. And then I'm just gonna start placing my flowers in here. I'm gonna start off with a few white. And this is how this one came out. I'm gonna do the second one that's going on the table like this, exactly the same way. I never use fake flowers for centerpieces. I typically order my flowers in bulk online, use fresh flowers, but these don't look too shabby. Alright, so this is your update on the centerpieces. I have finished out the centerpieces for 4 tables minus the balloons at the top, which I'm going to show you guys the day before the event because I don't want to do them this early. So this is the first one that I showed you guys earlier, the larger box with the balloon, what am I calling this thing? Hot air balloon at the top of the sticks. And in the center, I have hydrangea and roses. And then for another 2 tables, I have 2 smaller size boxes that are going to be at the table with flowers on top. You want to say hi, Stinky Butt? Say hi. Alright guys, so I couldn't get the 3rd centerpiece together that I wanted. So I'm going to try something out with some stuff that I have. Right now, I'm going to use the same plate that I already had here, and then I am going to actually put some hot glue right in the center, and I want a nice glob of it. And then I'm going to take one of my sticks that I had from a previous project, and I'm going to stand it straight up in it and let it dry. E6000 would always also get this job done, but that takes forever to dry, and I really want to test this out to see how it's going to come out. So it just dried, and this is what it looked like. If you do this, put a dab of E6000 on the very bottom and then surround it with the hot glue so that it'll hold in place, and you don't have to hold it the whole time, but it's standing up here by itself. And so what I'm going to do now is take my pool noodle here, and I'm going to cut it up like I did before. And I've cut my pool noodle, and I actually cut the piece in half, and I'm going to hot glue it down onto the plate with the stick in the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hydrangea and I'm going to stick them into the foam with my stems, of course. Alright, so next up is, remember these mirrors from the mirror cube boxes I did with you guys on a vlog a while ago? I'm going to put these at the base like I've done this one here, and use that kind of like to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And then the sticks are coming up, both of them. This one a little more crooked than that one. I need to fix it. I need to put some glue or something on it, some more glue on that one. And then I have these teddy bears. I was going to use this teddy bear for something else, but I'm going to actually find a way to hook it onto this pole, and then I'm just going to put some balloons at the top of it and see how I like that. I don't have a second teddy bear, so I'll have to order one. Hey guys, so it's the next morning and I let it dry, but unfortunately the stick was still a little wobbly, so I did a DIY type thing. I took one of a clear plastic cup we had in the house, put a hole in the center, then cut a piece of styrofoam to go over and hot glue them together, and then I stuck the pole directly through the cup and the tube in order to give it a little bit more sturdiness. And I also put a piece of tape on both sides, which has helped holding the stick in place so that it's not so wobbly. So now that I've done that little rig to the pole, my bear is standing up without any problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the second one, so it'll be here by Friday. And I'll see you guys on Friday when it's time to construct the balloons up top here. And I'm gonna add some balloons to the balloon situation with the teddy bear here. See you guys, it's Friday and I am back with an update for my centerpieces. As you can see, my teddy bear is attached to this pole. I did that by tying his arm on there with balloon string, and then I took 4 balloons, tied them in 2s, and then put them in quads. And then I used the balloon string to simply tie the balloons to the top of the pole, and then I took some balloon string, taped it to the back of this balloon, and it is spiraling down, and then I tied it around his arm so that it looks like he is holding the balloons up. And be sure to check out the vlog for this shower to see the final results. And then this is my box here with the flowers and the balloon cluster on top. I did not end up using the balls, guys. They popped on me. Hey guys, so as you can see here, my ball actually burst. I was just about done putting my balloons on it and it decided to explode. So I'm just gonna do this the way I did it on the last centerpiece I did, similar to this. And so what I did was I went back to my second video I did on the centerpiece similar to this one that had the box and the pink flowers and the balloons, and all I did was take my fishing line and I clustered these all into this big ball of balloons that you see here. And then these ones here were already finished. It's just 2 boxes with flowers. So yeah, be sure to check out the vlog to see the final look for these centerpieces and to see how everything else came out. And as you can see, I started blowing up balloons over here too. So lots going on for this shower with balloons. Be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Like, comment, share, and I will see you guys on the next vlog.